Before I sing, I would like to honor and thank two of our beloved hotdog legends, Mr. Rene Garcia and Dennis Garcia, and the Garcia family for welcoming me into the hotdog family. Nandito ba sila? Si Tita Bay? Saan? Okay. My name is Miles Poblete, the last hotdog girl. I had the privilege of being part of Hotdog's last World Tour Ball. And tonight, I would like to honor and share this moment to the amazing rhythm section and singers, Rico Pangilinan, Melissa Gavin, Roy Sadicon, Juno De Los Santos, Jeboy Galvez, and Lihay Robusura. We were the last touring band of Hotdog.
The song that I'll be singing tonight, sobrang special po sa akin. Because one day, tumawag sa akin si Tito Rene. He called and then asked me if we could record a song. Sabi niya, "Uy Miles, may gusto akong ipakanta sa'yo. Parang bagay sa'yo." So we recorded the song. Siya pa nga yung nag second voice sa akin, si Tito Rene. Siya pa yung gumawa ng areglo, iniba niya yung areglo. But then, sabi niya sa akin, "Miles, alam mo, sana balang araw makanta natin to. Makanta mo to."
But unfortunately, I never had a chance to sing this song with him. So tonight, I would like to fulfill that wish in my own little way. Para po sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa iyo, Tito Rene, here's saan ka na kaya.